How to register for PC Financial Mastercard online. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily apply for the PC Financial credit card. First that, you first need to open up your web browser and simply search for PC Financial credit card login or something similar to this. Then you'll find this PC Mastercard, login help. So all you have to do is go to this website, and if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in button to log into it. Or if you're new, you can just click on apply now. And once you're on this page here, it will ask you some of your details to uh, log into your account. So here to complete the application, you'll need to be the resident of Canada, then to be the age of the majority of your province or territory, and then you can you may need your social security number or your PC optimum number. Now you can just click on apply as a new customer. You can see the disclosure summary here. You can read through all of this or download it by clicking right here. And if you've accepted it, click on this checkbox, click on next. Now just go ahead and select your title, then enter your first name, last name, and then enter your date. So on your birthday, just go ahead and enter these. Now you can just enter a referral code if you have it, and your social security number is optional as well. Just tap on next. And from here, you're going to have to enter your phone number and email. So first enter your email, then enter your primary phone number, and you can select your language preference as well. Once you've entered your phone number, all you have to do is tap on next. And now, if you have the phone number correct, you could just get an SMS code there, and you should be able to register for a new account. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.